A significant concern many of our customers have about their surveillance system is that their NVR or DVR is going to be stolen, leading to the loss of valuable video evidence.
Local recorders are often a target for thieves who want to destroy any evidence of their crime by damaging the on-site NVR or DVR, or sometimes stealing it altogether. Without vital video evidence, law enforcement are often left with little to no clues about who the perpetrators are.
A common tactic used to prevent a recorder being stolen is to make it less accessible, perhaps by hiding it somewhere, such as in the loft. While this adds a layer of security, it isn't foolproof, and a determined intruder might still find and steal it.
Another common approach is to use a dummy recorder alongside an actual recorder to confuse thieves. This might deter opportunistic criminals, but won't put off those criminals who have a knowledge of security systems and who can quickly identify real from fake equipment.
The most effective way to protect your security footage and ensure it's accessible if a recorder is damaged or stolen is to add cloud backup. It'll give you peace of mind and make sure that the footage is always available, and also adds a whole host of other features.
VideoLoft is a reliable and secure cloud video surveillance platform that's compatible with hundreds of different brands of NVR and DVR systems, making it the perfect choice for users who have different surveillance setups. As well as adding cloud backup, VideoLoft also adds a whole host of other features, including centralized viewing, remote access, multi-user permissions, and much more.
Protecting your recorder from theft is an important part of maintaining the integrity of your security system. While hidden installations and dummy recorders do provide a level of security, the most reliable option lies in cloud backup.